Hello everyone, karibuni to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, my name is Shantriza. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and yeah, let's continue. So guys, I'm finally doing my unpacking of the ring light from the one of the best. Yeah, let me just hide my location. See, yeah, so is the tripod. Actually, there's something I don't know how to set it. God help, have mercy on me, because Mimi, oh God, thank God. It came from one of the best. So this is how it looks like. Mic, the battery, the adapter, sorry. It has a remote. Oh, it has a stand for the phone, just for the phone. Like, let's say maybe you want to use the it alone on the table. Then here ndio hizi, what are they called, hizi vitu za kuconnect hapa. Oh gosh, poleni, Kiswahili yangu, kizungu yangu imekata. What is this? This is a remote, wireless remote. So here is the stand. I've not adjusted it, I've just removed it from the paper, sorry. So let me just hide where I stay. So this is it. And you have our suppliers. You can reach them on the social media handles. Yeah, I can't wait to try it. I can't wait. It comes with all this. I'd already shown you hizo, plus inakuja na hii bag. It comes with this carrier bag. Yeah, let's try. So that's how it looks. Ikiwa imesimama, bado sijamaliza. Akikuwa just this thing is not easy. So yeah, let me try and see kama naweza eka the stuffs tukiona nyinyi. Let's try. Well, let's try and see kama tunaweza iassemble tukiona nyinyi. Actually, I don't know what to do. It's not coming. I think. Put that way, then from there. To assemble this thing is not easy. It's not easy. Okay, next time, please. If you order this. So, guys, I'm eating a burger. Sorry, I'm eating burger and some coffee. Because I've been lazy of late. Sorry, forgive my manners for bringing the pita here. But I had to. So I'm alone and lazy. So yeah, let me eat breakfast quickly. Then I rush out. I need to go do my hair. I'm lazy. I've not made my bed, but I think we will go make my bed with you guys. That is if I, yeah. Let's enjoy it. I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you. So morning guys, this is the next morning. Woke up late. I need to go fix my hair. So uh, I want to make a quick breakfast. Let me show you what I'm making. So guys, let's clean the TV so quick. And I think I'll sweep because I don't want to clean. I'll clean when I come back because I don't want to get late. So let's clean the TV, remove vimbo chafu kutoka kwa meza, then we head out. So I came back from the salon. Can you see how my hair looks? I'm slaying. Yeah, I'll tag the salon. No, but if I tag the salon, you will know where I stay. I don't want that. So yeah, I'm so happy. I went to salon. I didn't want this tie, but I got to salon and like I saw her baby. I saw a baby. Tuel kutengeneza nywele. Then I was like, mwenye alikuwa anatengeneza niko zile za like una master hiyo style mtoto anaikwa, una master hiyo style mtoto anaikwa. That is what I wanted. So yeah, after that, before I went to salon, I went and picked some package. Some package, yes. I'll show you what they are. I passed through Naivas, bought some kind of, since I'm alone, I buy shopping for 2 weeks. But there are some things I pick for a month, so depending. So yeah, let me show you what I got. Yeah, this is what I got. Naivas can make you go crazy. Naivas can make you go crazy. Wakuna offers 24/7. 24/7. So I bought milk, bread, my favorite ice cream. Yes, but my eye. Spring rolls, different flavors, chicken and beef, a lady stuff products, some ice cream. Yeah, new flavor. I wanna try it out. Party caps because I'm lazy. Obviously I'm lazy. Sioshi vikombe. Yeah. I bought some alcohol. Some foxy. Banana since I don't wanna go out. Nilipewa warning from going out. Indomie. Lift the bag so it will be easy for me to lift them up. Melvin's tea bags. I know it's hakuna mtu mwenye ananilipa for advert. I'm just showing what I bought. Zenye ziko na tangawizi. Naivas sugar spray. Tissues. Kama unajua, you know what I love? Mimi na pilipili. I love chili so much. Tropicals. If you know, you know. I've got some popcorns and cooked popcorns. Jogo walikuwa na offer. Don't ask me mbona sizoni. Jogo walikuwa na offer, so I got 2. Since nilikatazwa kunywa, I have to take those things. Voila. That's what I got. Na even the pesa iliisha. Yeah, so let me show you what I got. That's all I got from yeah, that's all I got from Naivas. Yeah. So let's unpack my package from Cashmore Closets. It was thermal, but I can get them on TikTok. Work on a social media handles, TikTok, Instagram. Yeah. Forget my mask. Forgive my mask. I guess I'm so tired. I just want to finish this and sleep. I don't know if I'll eat. Just take a shower and yeah, sleep. I need to sleep. Oh, I forgot to show you these ones. So I got this sweater. So I got these 2 cute sweaters. For those who know me, I'm not gonna green. Green has been my favorite color. See, they even have my name tag on them. Shantriza, even this one. Yeah, so let's fit with you. Let me show you how they look. Yeah, let's fit with you. Okay, I don't feel like even standing. That's how it looks. Looks cute too. Can't wait to rock it with my hoo-ha. Let me just can't wait to rock it. There's this other one, the red one. I think the red one is a bit smaller. Yeah, that's how it looks. So fitting. Can't wait to put them on, but they need to be washed. Then yeah. Thank you guys. So we've come to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Na mkienda kwa Cashmore, mwambieni Shantriza sent you. Akona offers. Yeah, she's selling thrift clothes. So bye bye guys, love you.